right? So yeah. So moving forward, right, let's go and talk about the last week's homework. So last week I gave you one homework on congruence and similar. This question is not easy, right? This question is not easy. So I don't know whether you guys try the question or not, but it's not easy. Let's take a look at this first. Can? Right, so the points D, E, and F on the sides of the triangle A, B, and C are such that DE is parallel to AC. Children, my advice to you, always what? Always read and then look at the diagram. Read and then look at the diagram. Okay? So point DEF is down here, DEF. They are the sides of the triangle ABC. Okay? Such that DE is parallel to AC. Okay? Right? This one is parallel. All right? And what else? BC is parallel to DF. BC is parallel to DF. Children, can you see something? Can you see something? If there are two pairs of parallel lines, right, it means that this portion here is a what? Parallelogram. Do you know that? Do you know that this one is a parallelogram? Right. So you have two pairs of parallel lines, it makes it a parallelogram. So they say that what? DF is parallel to BC, DF meet AE at G. DF meet AE at G. Okay, correct. All right. You are supposed to what? Name a triangle that is congruent to FEC. All right, so let me go into here. So where is FEC? This is FEC. All right, the purple triangle, FEC is here. And what did I say just now, children? What did I say just now? All right, because of the what? Because of the two pairs of parallel lines, right? Because of the two pairs of parallel lines, it makes this portion a what? It makes this portion a parallelogram. All right, because of the two pairs of parallel lines. All right, so two pairs of parallel lines means this. Can you see? Okay, so this is actually D, E, F, C. Can? And the question is talking about this triangle here, which is cut in between here. All right, triangle FCE, is it down here? So what's the meaning of congruence? Congruence means what? Congruence means exactly the same, right? Remember this word, exactly the same. Exactly the same. All right. So who is congruent to FEC? Where is FEC? Look, FEC, read FEC. All right, FEC. So I did tell you that the flow of the alphabet is very important. Come, let's go and determine where the congruence triangle is. Can you see that the congruence triangle is actually here? Which is the other half of the parallelogram. Can you see that? Can you see that? All right, it's the other half of the parallelogram. That's the congruence. Okay, but who is equal to who? Check this out. All right, do you see the Z rule? All right, so this angle here, red, is actually equal to this angle here, red. So red is equal to red. All right, that's called the Z rule. Down here, is there another Z? All right, can you see that down here the Z? Down here the Z, can you see down here the Z? Right, angle black is actually equal to angle black down here. Can you see? The Z rule. And the last angle must be equal, which is angle orange. All right, this is angle orange equal to angle orange. All right, because they are the opposite sides of a parallelogram. Okay, come. Question is asking about FEC. FEC, so you must be able to tell me that triangle FEC is congruent to triangle what? Look, F is what? F is red, red, black, orange. Red, black, orange. All right, look. Red means the red angle representing F. E is the black angle down here. And C is the orange angle down here. So again, FEC is red, black, orange. Red, black, orange. Red, black, orange. Look at it on top. Who is the red? Red is E. Who is the black? Black is F. Who is the orange? D. So it's EFD. So this is the only answer. All right, this is for part A. Do you understand, children? All right, so congruence means exactly the same. This portion here is a parallelogram. All right, you split into half. All right, they are exactly the same. But the flow of the alphabet is very important. Remember that, please. Okay, come. Next, what's the question asking? Let's check it out. Name two triangles which are similar. Similar means what? They look alike. They look alike, but they are not exactly the same. Right? They look alike means what? The angles are the same. Angles same. Right? But the length different. However, the length ratio is the same. Right? That's the meaning of similar. Can? To triangle ACE. All right, where is ACE? This one is a little bit tough. A little bit tough. ACE is down here. All right, triangle black. ACE is down here. All right, so who is similar to this one? ACE. All right, so this one is a little bit tough. All right, so you just got to look. All right, just got to look around for something which is similar to this. All right, ACE is the black triangle on top here. All right, I try to use color. It's not very hard to compare. Okay, come. Let's take a look. Let's try to put in some of the angles. All right, because we know that similar triangle angles are the same, right? Let's try to put in the angles. Can you see the Z rule down here? All right. Can you see the Z rule down here? Oops, sorry. The Z rule down here. Parallel, right? Parallel to who? Don't have Z. Got. Wait, This and this. You see the Z? You see the Z? Cannot. Do you see the Z? Because it's parallel, right? This one and this one is parallel. Right? This one is parallel. So can you see the Z down here? Can you see? Okay. So if that's the case, right, this angle here, I'm just putting in random angles because I don't know where. It's equal to this angle here. So angle rate is equal to angle rate. Where else? Where else? Is there any more Z that helps me? Oh, this angle here, angle blue. Right, this angle blue. Right, the Z rule, can you see the Z? Is equal to this angle here. Okay, angle blue. So angle blue equal to angle blue. Which means what? Children, can you see something? Can you see something? Because my focus is on this black triangle down here, right? So angle red and angle blue is part of the black triangle. And on top down here, look. On top down here, I got the blue and red also. I got the blue and red. Which means that this triangle red, right? Can you see that this triangle red, right? This triangle red up here got one blue and one red already. Which means that the final angle must be the same, which is angle black. So this angle black down here, right? Angle black shaded, must be equal to this angle black shaded. Can you see or not? Because the red and the blue is the same already. Oh, so again, you have to look at the angles. Not easy, I know. Okay, they are looking for triangle ACE. Okay. So triangle ACE, look at the color coding. Is similar to who? Is similar to triangle what? Let's see. ACE is blue. C is black. E is red. So you're looking for blue, black, red. Blue, black, red. Blue, black, red. Blue is down here, E. Black is D. Red is G. Can you see? So this is one of the answers. So this type of question, right, you have to compare the angles. Right? This type of question, you have to compare the angles. Wait, let me let one of the students come in first. All right. So this type of question, you have to compare the angles. So I use something called color to assist me. All right. So through the Z rule, I can see that angle red is equal to angle red because of the Z rule. All right. I can see that angle blue is equal to angle blue because of the Z rule. And because two of the angles are the same, the third one must be the same. How come? Because all angles in a triangle add up to 180. All right. So the remaining one must be the same. Natalie, it's okay, don't worry. All right, but I'm glad that you're in class now. All right. Thanks for joining us. Okay. All right. So that is one of the answer. Can? What is another answer? Because you're supposed to look for two triangles, what? So triangle ACE is similar to who? Is similar to another triangle. Triangle who? So you are supposed to find. Okay, you're supposed to find. All right. So again, right, remember I told you, right, there's another clue about similar triangle. It's about the butterfly rule. All right, it's about this butterfly rule. Right, so I think I did mention to you, like similar triangle, always look for the butterfly and also the pyramid. All right, so if you look at it, right, this is DE. All right, this is G, and this is AF. Can you see the butterfly? This one is parallel to this one. Question say, which means that accordingly to the alternate angles, right, the Z rule, angle blue, right? Angle blue here is actually equal to the Z rule here, angle A. Can you see or not? Because of the Z rule. All right, angle black down here. Can you see angle black down here? Angle black shaded is actually equal to Z rule again down here. Can you see? And the last angle G, the red color, right, is equal to here. Why? Vertically opposite angle. Whoa! Sure. Do you see that? So ACE, ACE again is what? ACE down here is blue, black, red. Blue, black, red. Blue, black, red. So your answer will be blue is A, black is F, and red is G. Woo! Can you see not, children? So you have two triangles that are similar to ACE. Right? Not easy, right? Yeah, not easy. All right, so this is our question. You have to be a little bit sharp. All right, don't have to give up. Don't give up. All right, you try looking for the similar triangle by looking for the what? By looking for the angles. All right, angles must be the same. All right, look for the angles. And if you can, use the color coding. All right, to look for alternate angles or corresponding angles and all this. Very useful, trust me. Can? All right, so that is the part A and B. Part C, given that AF is 5 cm, AF is down here. Down here is 5 cm. All right, AF, what else? Sorry. FC is 15. FC is 15. FC is 15 cm down here. Okay, what else? EC is 6. EC is 6. EC is 6 cm down here. What else? Calculate the length of GF. All right, GF. Where is my girlfriend? Oops, sorry. GF, not girlfriend. Godfather. All right, GF. Where's GF? GF. Oh, it's down here. Yeah, this little thing down here. Yeah. My goodness. Can you see not? This little thing down here. All right. So you're looking for this dark blue line down here, GF. Can you see? How do you find that? How do you find that? So again, right, you might have to consider things like similar triangle, all right, or maybe a congruence to help you. But congruence don't have, you see. So how? All right. So you might have to look around, all right, to see whether is there any similar triangle to assist you or not. All right. So if you can focus, right, if you can focus on this part, AEC, this part. All right, let me just do a sketch out for you. All right, this is AEC. All right, this is AEC. I'm just doing a sketch out. It's not going to be perfect, all right, but I'm just trying to do a sketch out so that you all can see a bit clearer. All right, so this is last week's homework. Not easy, I know. All right, similar congruence triangle. This type of question, right? This type of question, if it comes out, right, this time will be the hardest, really. All right, if it comes out, if you know how to handle, then it will be good. Okay, can you see? Can you see something? Hey, sure, this one looks like a pyramid, right? Does it look like a pyramid? This is A, G, F, E, C. All right. And remember, down here is parallel to here. All right, can you see the pyramid? Yes, similar. Yes, Shenfeng. Yes, sure, go toilet, go, Lavon, go. Go and quickly come back, please. All right. All right, so this one is like a pyramid. Remember a pyramid, the time I draw for you is something like that one. Right, but this one is like lying down. It's okay, it's still a pyramid, right? Can you see not? So whenever you see these two pattern, right, it's a similar triangle already. All right, that's the clue. That's the clue. So this one looks like this one. All right, so now you fill in the information. Down here is 6. Down here is question mark AF. Down here is 5 cm. Down here is 15. Hey, sure, enough information. Yes. And sometimes, children, you have to be smart. Your teacher give you so many information, and so many information is what? Is down here. It's all concentrated down here. Why leh? Why leh? Because they want you to use this to assist you.